Uh, okay, so today is September 3rd, September 03, 2025. The market just opened. The first few minutes here, the first 30 minutes is gone, and there's hardly any clarity on the chart. So I'm expecting a red day based on the daily, based on my daily analysis. Expecting to see a red day there, but what we have here is just it's just lack of clarity yet. Wait for the clarity and wait for that to get in. So yesterday was in fact yesterday being September 2nd, was in fact a lovely day in the markets, and we there was a significant sell off in the stock market. Quite a huge gap down during the overnight trading, huge trending down of the market, and finally, when the market opened at 9:30 a.m. In the morning, what we saw was a spike up, and then a continuation down, and by midday, by the afternoon, the market sort of went up, and that's where it stayed up the rest of the day. So again, I'm expecting to see a red action. That's what I'm expecting to see. Now, I could be wrong. It could be a green action, but that is not what I want to see. I'm expecting to see a red action in the markets. So, with that being said, I'm wait for more clarity on the charts to wait to see wait for more clarity in the charts here to see a clear you know I want to see a clear direction. A clear trend and down. So far yet, we don't see any. There's no clarity. If it's going up, if it's gonna go up, then I probably would have to be very careful because my hoping I want to see a sell off today. That's what I want to see today. And if I don't get that, you know, I may still trade the upside, but I'm gonna be very careful because on the high time frame, what you see is weakness. I see weakness on the high time frame. The market is actually bearish overall. So still waiting here. Okay, there's still no clear direction yet. There's still, still market trying to decide what it wants to do. Again, I want to see a sell-off. Yeah, that's what I want. I'm looking for. I want to see the market go down, and I want to see the market go down. I want to see a sell-off in the market. Just making some notes here. So the only news for today is a PCE, and that has already been out since 10 o'clock. So the PCE. Ooh. So still waiting here to see what's going on. Okay, so looks like we're getting now we're getting this on the 5 minute charts. We can see here that market looks to be going down. So this is what I want to see. I want to see a clear trend in down, down the direction down. That's what I want to see. You know, I'm tempted to get in here, to get in on the action here. Getting on the first short, getting on the first position. So I'm gonna be doing just a few contracts anyway, because still not sure, still not sure. So I wanna see what my risk is. Invalidation would be here. So how much am I risking there? That's 14 points. That's $50. That's not too bad. Yeah, not sure what happened here, but kind of messed up my no. Okay, what's going on here? There we go. We've been trying to mess up my Ninja Trader. So that's still set up now. Okay, so there's still no, at least there's a little bit of clarity, anyways. So you can see how slow the market is. You know, it's still not yet decided. It's going down, but it's still not yet decided on the trend. So looking at, if you look at NQs quickly, you'll see this one is doing totally different, and though not entirely different from what ES is doing, but it's more movement in this one. So we'll go back to ES. I'm just gonna stick on ES for now. So it's not quite clear yet what's going on. So, okay. So suddenly it flipped. It was going down, then it flipped, and then it's going up now. It's crazy because I was gonna get into this trade. My stop would have been somewhere here. But if I had done that, then it would knock me out right away. So, and the thing is that this may eventually go down. It's possible that they may eventually go down, but right now there's no clarity right now. It's just all over the place. It's just all over the place right now. And I'm not looking for. I'm looking for at least 10 to 15 points in years. 20 points even in years. So So yeah, it's indeed a weird movement, but we'll see if it wants to go up. Now, personally, I don't think it's I don't think it's gonna go up. It may. The actual overall trend is down. We looking at the at daily chart even, the trend is down overall. You want
Connection lost.
Yeah, I'm still here. So looking at the 15 minutes here, that's totally changed. Check that real quick. I'll step outside a little bit here. I was still watching the chart. So this is looking at the chat. This can be very, very annoying because I was gonna go along here. This candle here kind of faked the whole thing out, and what we have right now is just, coming out here, going along here, trying to catch the, so many points and putting the stop here. That would have taken out the stop right away. Would have taken out the stop. But I guess probably the better place to put a stop would have been right here. There may be a chance it could take it out too, but if it does take it out, then we could be looking at a green day. But let's see what happens here. So it's going down now. It's going down. Looks like it's going down now. Though no entry yet, but I'm gonna be watching now to put in my entry anyway. If I get a sign that it is going down, if not, then I'm, before I can get in on the long side, I want to be sure that the market is going up. So yeah. So if any evidence of the market going down, I'm gonna get in on just one single shot, and then getting on at least partial position and wait for confirmation, and then get in on more partials. But right now is all a waiting game. Yeah, that's some strength coming in here with this movement. Yeah, that's some strength on the chart. Strength is still there. Good. So this is not typically a way that if this was supposed to be, if it was meant to be a green day, this is not typically the way it would, it would present itself. So this is obviously, or at least looking like a red day in theory, but the it hasn't yet. There hasn't yet been. It has there has there has been no confirmation yet. Yeah, I'm just getting got an email now from Top Step about their Express funded account, the back to funded program that they have here. So it would cost you, assuming you pass the combines, the evaluation, and got to their Express account SFA, and if you failed that, you wanted to get back in again, it would cost you the saying here $4.99 for the 50K account. So $4.99 to reinstate that 50K account back to funded. So it can be the SFA can be reactivated up to two times. Reactivation must be for the same size of the original SFA. So let me see if I can pull it up here while we're looking at the chats. So again, this is not the chat itself is not looking. It's not looking really good, honestly. So where is that? Chrome. Can't see much. Yeah, this is pretty slow, pretty slow price action. I haven't seen something like well, haven't seen something like this in a while, honestly. Okay, so just looking at this now, trying to look at the top step rules here. We have back to fund the back to fund the program, express funded account, and this is what we have here. This is the cost to reactivate. This I think is good. This is the price is pretty much comparable to pretty much you know pretty much what you have in other pro firms like what is it called, like TPT, Take Profit Trader, which is what I'm using now. So it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like price is going up. My thesis was that price would go down. That was my belief. But it's going up. I don't, I don't feel like trading this. If it's going up, you know, this is not what I expect. I was expecting weakness in the chat, and it's going up. So if it's doing this, I really don't want to be trading this price action. Like I really don't want to be doing it, trading it. I don't feel like trading it because there's no clarity in what is going on right now. Like you don't. So I don't feel like really trading this. I can definitely stay out of the market. Even though I can still jump in on it's going up, I can jump in now. But this is not. I don't have confidence. I don't have confidence in this chart trading up on the upside. I don't really have confidence in it. So why trade it? So this is massive strength on the 50 minutes candle here. Massive strength. Yeah, this is massive strength. Yeah, this is really, really, really massive strength. Yeah, I don't really have any confidence in this, and to be honest, I don't think I want to touch this. Yeah, this is something else. I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, this is something that I don't want to be. I don't want to be chasing this, right? So, I mean, following the massive gap down on the week, and you have this right now. This is not something that I will be, you know, that I would want to be chasing for sure. So my thesis before the market open is that price will go down. That is what I believe would happen. It could still happen. It's only 10:44 a.m. in the morning, but trying to chase the upside now is something that I'm not gonna do. You know, it's definitely something that I'm not gonna worry about. So, and even if assuming bearish, if I was bearish and went in short here, put in my stop right here at the top, that also would not have been a good case because the price came down and took it out, right? So it would have taken it out also. Uh, the initial stop was right here and then it was here. So yeah, well, the best thing is to wait and eventually, if today is gonna be a green day, if it's gonna be an update, then I want to be sure of that. But now this is not. it's going up. Sure, it's going up, but this is not. This is the whole price itself is weak. The whole price movement this week has been weak. So I'm expecting a sell-off, not an upside. Oof. Okay, so still going up. Still going up. Still going up. Still going up. Yeah, this is, I must say the price action has been, pretty weird. Hasn't been, hasn't been a clean price action more or less. It has been some sort of weirdness to it, and today is no exception. Yesterday also is no exception. So there's nothing I'm doing now that I'm, sitting out and waiting, waiting, trying to wait out this. Yeah. So it looks like this is going up. Yeah, I kind of find this really weird, in a sense. Find it really, really weird. Yeah. Again, my thesis was going short, not going long, and what I'm seeing here, even though it's going up, this is not typically what you would see for an upside movement. So it's not a clean upside movement, and if you went long, it start coming back on you. So it's not something that I'm trying to avoid here. And I don't. I just I don't have any confidence in the trade. So if I don't have confidence in the trade, I wouldn't like to be on it. Yeah, I would like to be on it. Yeah, and it's still going up. Still going up. Yeah, it's a pretty weird price action. It has been indeed. But then again, not in a rush. Yeah, this is. Nope. I'm not getting in here. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. So again, I mean, there's probably something you could make from this. There's probably a few money you can make from from going long here. But based on my strategy, based on my trading method, uh, this long here is not worth anything. So because first of all, the obvious trend on the higher time frame is to the downside, and if it's to the downside, then the best would be waiting for a good shot. And eventually, if it's going to be to the downside, what you have here is now a child's play compared to what you would get on the downside, right? So wait, I don't want to go in on the long here, even though I could, but I don't want to. So now it's coming down. So if you were a net long buying, obviously you could have taken profits, but then again, you know, it's not as clear, where to go long or where to have gotten long, right? It's not as clean as you would think. Yeah, what are they? What are they? This is not an ideal price action. This is really really weird price movement, no doubt. Right now it's almost 11 o'clock, and there's nothing really neat or nothing really clean. Good. So all this now is just, it's just weakness. Good. Still going up more. So I mean, I guess you could still go along. You could still go along here and then put a stop here. But then again, the stop could easily get hit because if this was a normal green day, it wouldn't be moving like it is moving right now. So I think this is just deceptive anyway. And I'm even thinking of going short. Yeah. So far this is just pure weakness on the chart here. Yeah, it's really a weird price action. Indeed, really weird price action.